computer. This is basically the next part of the language. So the best way basically when you design any software, basically first you design in the paper basically, because whatever thing basically you are doing in the computer basically, that is processing basically, that is getting processed, and that is very dangerous basically. I am telling you basically, the 23 years experience person is telling, it's very dangerous. So best way is when you are designing any paper project basically, best is write down basically in some papers basically. One of the person told, यार ये कौन सी दुनिया में जी रहा है, but this is the fact basically. Because if I say that basically textbooks equal to 1000 cities, after this basically lots of people will say हाँ यार पेपर में प्रोसेस करना अच्छा है basically, means write down in paper basically, that is the best thing basically. That's basically my point of view. Otherwise basically you can, that's a world, that's because you can't control the human basically. Each human basically are individual basically, so you can't say that basically 100% you have to do like this only. But that is my point of view basically. Design in paper and then start the work basically, that is the best basically. So 90% task in paper, 10% just you have to draw that paper basically in computer basically, that's all basically, that's all basically. So 1% in programming basically, that will work basically 100% basically in programming basically, it is going to work basically. In project management side, in the project manager side, that is also basically going to work. In project director position, that is 100% going to work, because their tasks basically are very sensitive work basically, so they have to design the paper basically, in the design the task in the paper basically. So here one person told that the earthquake basically, assume that basically Reliance Group's whatever process basically is doing, there basically the earthquake came. So what is that basically? So one person told that that is actually the error basically. The entire day what the process happened, processed data basically, that processed data basically have some error. So one person told that this was, if this is not tracked, the earthquake data is not tracked, then how basically Reliance is going to track this basically? And they have done the lots of process basically. So next video.